Hello friends, let's start GK questions. First question is right to constitutional remedies comes under A legal rights, B fundamental rights, C human rights or D natural rights. Answer is fundamental rights. There are total 7 main fundamental rights of India such as right to equality, right to freedom of religion and so on. Which of the digestive organs contains acid? A stomach, B small intestine, C appendix or D colon. Answer is stomach. Gastric acid produced in the stomach plays a vital role in the digestive process and mainly contains HCl and sodium chloride. Which of the following fibers is considered as the strongest natural fiber? A cotton, B jute, C wool or D silk? Answer is silk. Silk is a natural protein fiber, some forms of which can be woven into textiles. Silk is produced by several insects such as moth caterpillar. Ozone saves the biosphere by absorbing high energy radiations called gamma rays, ultraviolet rays, X rays, or IR. Answer is ultraviolet rays. UV radiation is present in sunlight and constitute about 10% of total EMF radiation output from the sun. Ozone layer blocks many UV frequencies. Fifth question is Birju Maharaj is a well-known exponent of A Manipuri dance, B Kathak, C Odissi or D Kathakali. Answer is Kathak. Kathak is one of the 7 major forms of Indian classical dance. Kathak originated within Hindu temples as a storytelling device for portraying the epic tales. Sixth question is who was the first women president of the Indian National Congress? A. Sarojini Naidu, B. Vijay Lakshmi Pandit, C. Annie Besant or D. Kadambani Ganguly. Answer is Annie Besant. Annie Besant was a British social reformer, socialist, theosophist and Indian independence leader. The craft of carpet making was first introduced in India in which of the following states? A. Himachal Pradesh, B. Jammu Kashmir, C. Kerala or D. Tamil Nadu. Answer is Jammu and Kashmir. First Indian Prime Minister to visit Siachen has been A. Rajiv Gandhi, B. Manmohan Singh, C. Narendra Modi or D. Indira Gandhi. Answer is Dr. Manmohan Singh. Until June 2005, Manmohan Singh created history by becoming the Prime Minister to visit the inhospitable Siachen Glacier, the world's highest battlefield. Who was the first Indian who was chosen as the Secretary General of Commonwealth? A. Rakesh Verma, B. Gopal Swami, C. Krishnamurti or D. Kamlesh Sharma? Answer is Kamlesh Sharma. He is an Indian diplomat. He was the 5th Secretary General of the Commonwealth of Nations from 2008 to 2016. The Central Drug Research Institute of India is located at A. Madras, B. Lucknow, C. Delhi or D. Mumbai. Answer is Lucknow. The Central Drug Research Institute is a multidisciplinary research laboratory in Lucknow. How many spokes are there in the Dharma Chakra of the national flag? A. 14, B. 20, C. 22 or D. 24. Answer is 24. The Ashok Chakra is a depiction of the Dharma Chakra, a wheel represented with 24 spokes. This chakra was adopted on 24 July 1947. Name the organization that is involved primarily with environmental planning. A. CIFRI, B. ICAR, CIARS or D. NERI. Answer is NERI. National Environmental Engineering Research Institute is a research institute created and funded by Government of India. It was established in Nagpur in 1958. Which bank was the first to introduce ATMs to the world? A. Hong Kong Bank, B. Standard Chartered Bank, C. Bank of America, or D. Citibank? Answer is Citibank. Citibank was founded in 1812 as the City Bank of New York. In 1970, Citibank was one of the first US banks to introduce ATM. What is the name of currency of Bangladesh? Taka, Lek, Dinar, or Piso? Answer is Taka. The Taka was introduced in Bangladesh in 1972, replacing the Pakistani rupee. The last question is, which hill station's name means place of the thunderbolt? A. Shillong, B. Ooty, C. Darjeeling, or D. Gangtok? Answer is Darjeeling. Darjeeling came from Tibetan word Dorje, which is thunderbolt, symbolizing the Hindu god Indra, and Ling, which means a place or land. So guys, this is for today. Thanks for watching. Please comment below how you like the video and do subscribe our channel for more new such videos. Also do follow us on Facebook. Link is given in description box. Bye.